Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Anna, and today's video we are doing a Thanksgiving glam or holiday glam look, all drugstore. So this whole look is drugstore. I wanted it to be a nice, fresh, glowy kind of skin face going on with a bit of a dramatic eye, a dramatic eyeliner. So if you guys are interested in this video, if you kind of just hanging out or you're cooking, you're getting ready, whatever, just, follow along, listen along, whatever you want to do. And I just want to let you guys quickly know that there are some parts I'm going to be fast forwarding in the video. Otherwise the video is going to be too long. But the part where I wanted to emphasize a lot was the eyeliner part of the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it if you do enjoy it at some point. If you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button and join me on my little journey here where I review makeup, talk about makeup, and yeah. So let's get on with the video. All right, so we're gonna start off fresh-faced, nothing on. I'm gonna put on just a little bit of moisturizer right under my primer. And I may fast forward through some parts just so that the video is not too long. So what is everybody doing for Thanksgiving? Are you cooking? Are you gonna, visit some family? We have restrictions over here in Jersey. I think it's like no more than 10 people. So it's gonna be small. So that's why I'm gonna do my makeup in a way that's kind of festive, but it's going to be very toned down. Not that we do something huge every year, but we're home more. So I'm going to go in first with the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Priming Whip. I'm just going to push a little bit out. It seems like you really can't control the how much comes out. I thought if I squeezed it lighter, it would come out less, but somebody suggested that I try putting it on after foundation to kind of see if it gives you an illuminating glow too. So we'll try that. I'll save some of this for that. So I just apply it with my hand and I kind of just spread it out. Okay, next I'm just going to do a little foundation. I'm going to go in with my favorite, the Flower Beauty Get Real Serum Foundation. And I'm pumping a bit of that into my hands. And I'm just gonna spread this out, starting at the center of my face and kind of going out and around. Does anybody cook for Thanksgiving? I'm making a pumpkin cheese cake. I did a test run and it was really good. So that's what's going to be for dessert. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which is a very, very nice hydrating, full coverage concealer. And I'm going to take that on my ring finger and I just dot it pretty much where I need it. Next, I'm going to, oh, you know what? Let's do this because I can see that the little whipped primer is starting to disappear. Let's take it over my foundation and see what happens. It's on very nicely. Yeah, you got a nice subtle glow. That was a really good idea. My hair is crazy. We're gonna do eyebrows. I'm gonna tell you what I use, and I'm gonna fast forward it. But my combo that I've been really enjoying recently is the e.l.f. What is this? Ultra Precise Brow Pencil and the Wow Brow. Now that my eyebrows are fuller, it's a little bit easier to do this. So I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows. I'm gonna fast forward. All right, so that is eyebrows. I was looking in the camera and like I'm like, why is that hair like so sticking out so much? It was driving me crazy. It's a pimple. I have a pimple on my eyebrow. And it is messing with my brows right now. Anyways. Oh, on a side note, I was gonna film me finally tweezing my eyebrows because I haven't tweezed them since sometime in July. But I think it's gonna be a very underwhelming video because I'm only gonna end up tweezing like 4 little strands. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I can do a quick like 2-minute video and it'll be like an extra upload. But let me know. I don't know. I mean, I'm excited to tweeze just to kind of get this into a little bit of a better shape, but I'm really not going to mess with the growth. I'm going to end up just tweezing like a little bit here. I can show you guys how I'm going to outline and tweeze it. So if that's what you want, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know. Okay. All right. Back to the face. I'm going to do a little quick contouring with the e.l.f. Cream Contour palette. I really like this. It's really good. It's very creamy. For blush, I'm going to mix 2 products. I'm going to go with the Dr. Paw Paw Multi-Purpose Soothing Lip Balm. This is in Rich Mocha, and I'm going to mix it with the Tinted Peach one. These are really nice, affordable balms. They're going to give you, I want to say, a sheer to very light coverage. So I'm going to take that, like almost like equal parts. See? And I'm going to mix that to get like a nudie kind of color. And I'm just going to tap that on my cheeks. Sort of like a glowy little tint on my cheek. Only because I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do my eyes, but I'm thinking about like a nice eyeliner. So I want like the focus to be more my eyes than my face. But I want my face to look hydrated and glowy. So very subtle, touch of color. I'm going to add a little bit more. So if you're curious, I actually got this off of Amazon, but I think, I want to say CVS might carry it. I know Ulta carries it. If you're near an Urban Outfitters, they carry it too. My lips are so dry. I'm just adding just a touch. For the eyes, I'm going to actually go in with, I felt it was fitting, the e.l.f. Bitesize eyeshadow palette in Pumpkin Pie. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one eye and then I'm going to fast forward the other eye. Or come back. Yeah. One of those. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This is a MAC 222. This thing is so old, but it still works. So, and I'm going to run that from my lash line to about my crease. And I'm taking that first color in the palette, which is this top one right here. And then I'm going to take the brown color, this one. And I'm going to focus that on the lower lid closest to my lashes. Very simple eye, I promise. It's going to be more of the liner. And I'm going to take this color down here, which is a nice, really beautiful bronzy shade. And I'm going to take it with my finger. I feel like it applies it better. And that's all I'm doing. So then I'm going to take liquid eyeliner. This one is the Flash Cat Eye by L'Oreal. This is a great eyeliner. Like, it's so underrated. And it has a brush, like the applicator. It's not a felt tip. It's like a brush. Have you guys ever used a brush pen? Like, it's got like the little hairs or whatever. So good. Highly recommend it. It's definitely a dupe for like the Glossier, I forgot what it's called, the new eyeliner they launched a couple of months ago. It's amazing. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to just go from the outer, like the lower part of my line, the lower part of my eye line here, and I'm just going to make it continue. I'm going to look straight ahead. Just like that. And then if you don't have a steady hand to go over, you can either anchor your hand, your elbow, or you can hold it straight and kind of turn your head slowly. That's what I do. It works for me. And then I'm just making little dashes going towards the inner part of my eye, and then we'll connect it. And then here's the part where it's going to get like, where we're going to get the drama. I'm going to just pull it into the inner corner a little bit more. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys can see. See how I pulled it now? It's like really highlighting that inner part. And then I'm going to kind of line that part of my eye. But I'm only doing the inner part. And the reason I'm doing that is because if I do it under here, it's going to end up like, what's the word? It's going to bleed a little bit. So we're going to go with a pencil eyeliner. But now I'm going to fill that part in. Then I'm going to take an eyeliner. I like this one. I don't know if it's still, I think you can still find it in store. I don't know that it's discontinued or anything, but it's a voluminous Smoldering eyeliner. It's like this little chubby pencil. I love it. It's really good. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to just like that. And there you go. Nice defined eye. My eye even looks bigger now, even though it's lined in black. And I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega. I'm sorry, yeah, Air Volume Mega Mascara. And all right, I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have both eyes done. What do you guys think? I really like this. This is my favorite way to do my eyeliner because it just makes my eyes like really pop and really emphasizes the shape of my eyes. And I don't know, it just makes me feel like a little extra. So I think there's a nice balance here. We have a dramatic eye, we have nice fresh skin, you know, a glowing blush, nothing over the top. And of course you can always throw on a bold lip if you want, but this is kind of like, I think there's a nice balance here. I wouldn't necessarily go in with a red lip. I mean, I guess it depends. It depends on my mood. It'll depend on my mood on Thursday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, if you're going to be creating a similar look. If you do, definitely let me know. And if you're on Instagram, you know, tag me, let me know like, hey, you know, Anna, I did a eyeliner look like this, or, you know, whatever. I want to hear from you guys. So I hope you guys have a very wonderful, fun Thanksgiving. Stay safe. I hope you enjoy all the food that you're going to eat. I know I will. So I will see you guys in my next video.